First of all, thank you Glitz USA for having me. And yes, it's a new journey with Wo Apna Sa. I've replaced this wonderful, talented young actor Riddhi Dogra.
Yeah.
But as you know, in television we have this trend of leap, where it's a 20-year leap, and then you know, as we have it in movies as well, a child actor starts, and when it grows, when he or she grows up, it's another actor playing it. So I think it's just a very natural transition in terms of the age group. And yeah, that's what it is, and I've taken that, like I had tweeted some days back, I've taken that torch from her, and I'm continuing this journey, and I expect all my audience to give me the same love and support, because it's very difficult to be in the same space where someone has done such a wonderful job, and Riddhi is such a fantastic actor that she's already you know, taken Nisha to another level. But then this is about a woman who's 20 years hence, and how is she going to be? So I think it's quite exciting, and it's nice. It's a very good show. It's a nice settled show, and there are these beautiful faces that we have in our show, and I think it's wonderful. I'm happy to be here. मैं कभी भी जब नया शो या नया कैरेक्टर प्ले करती हूँ, आई नेवर कम विथ एनी प्री डिटरमिन्ड कॉन्सेप्ट इन माई हेड. जैसे वो फ्लो के साथ जाता है वैसे कैरेक्टर चलने लगता है. And I think somewhere जब episode telecast होता है, and the kind of reactions that I am getting right now, I think somewhere they have accepted, and I think yeah, they are happy. And best is, you know, with all these digital media, it is so easy to know your responses, and their audience responses are being taken up very seriously through you guys, you know, who are the connection between us. So I think it's very easier to understand whether they have accepted or not accepted, and I think they have accepted. It's because somewhere I believe that a little of her is me, in terms of fashion, in terms of the way she dresses up, walks, talks, you know, probably her attitude. Well, not the revenge and the killing part, definitely. But yes, somewhere I identify with her, and I cannot say that any soul is evil for me. There is no person that is completely bad. A person turns bad because of circumstances. And then there is always a point in life where someone can correct you. I think Nisha is on that journey where she is heading towards correction. So I think it was quite an interesting transition to take up. Yes, I was. When Pavitra Rishta happened and they were going in for a 20-year leave, that's when I was probably in the same mindset as Riddhi is today, that no, I do not want to age, and I don't want to be a mother to a grown-up boy or a girl, and I had opted out of the story. But then I think then when you feel comfortable, I think you come back to it. So I wouldn't say that, I mean, it's her decision, her instinct, and we should completely respect that. Well, it's going great. Co-star Sudeep, I know him. We've not worked together, but definitely we are from the same fraternity. Disha has been there with me for 2.5 years. We did a show together long time back, so it's like it's a reunion for us. One thing that I would like to tell you about this show is our director Rakesh Malhotra. I mean, he keeps all the beads together. No matter how delicate the thread is, he just manages to keep the beads together, and all of us, you know. And it's quite a disciplinarian, and he's also very he's quite wacky, so it's beautiful on the set. Well, more evil, I don't know that, but yes, somewhere finally Nisha has achieved what she wanted in life, but somewhere she is still unhappy. So why is she unhappy, and how the story is going to unfold, that the creatives know. But all I can tell you at my end, I'm excited about my clothes. I'm excited about my look. My look has been worked upon, right from shoes to, you know, her hair to, it's not just about one particular look. The best part is that I can wear whatever I want, and that's amazing. I mean, I love clothes, and I think clothes love me too.
Okay.
See, I don't know. For me, every character that I take up is very, very important. For me, it's a struggle from my end too, along with my creatives and my director, my production house, my channel, to see to it that my character makes a mark. But like there is a very famous saying, I don't know by who, but it is something that I follow. When the competition gets tough, all you need to do is dress better.
Okay.
वैसे है नहीं. I mean, I'm sure the fans understand, and they have. There's never been a negative comment since the time I have come. So I think somewhere, I think they have accepted that Nisha जब 20 साल के बाद बड़ी होगी तो ऐसे दिखेगी. So it's Well, I don't want to give them big hopes. मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ. जिस हिसाब से स्क्रिप्ट आता है, डायलॉग्स आता है, उनमें अपना थोड़ा बॉडी लैंग्वेज उसे देना हर सीन में कोशिश कर रही हूँ. एंड yes, the clothes are different. So the Nisha after 20 years is completely different than what she was, and the location is different. And yes, I just hope my fans love me and stay with me and stay glued to the show.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mansi. We also just want to, since you know tomorrow is going to be Diwali, okay, we also just want to some few questions on for this Diwali. So just want to know that how are you planning to celebrate Diwali, and how are you going to?
Yes, keep watching me. It's been 20 years now that I have this connection with you, and you have given me that love and support that I'm working even today. And you love me. You share your tweets with me. You share your Instagram posts with me. You tell me what looked good today, what didn't look good today. So I really appreciate that, and I really work on it. So love me and love my work. Thank you. Hi, my name is Mansi Salvi, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision.